Hello, children of the night, and welcome to Tarot Nights with the Hanged Empress. Here we do shadow work following the moon.
Yo, VI, play the beat.
Is this it? This is it. Okay, we're fine. We're good. So Aquarius moon. Are we sure of ourselves? I'm feeling unsure. But at the same time, I've got Portugal the Man, and I can't remember who they collaborated with for the new song that they did. Glide? Glide is stuck in my head. And I don't even know all of the lyrics, like enough of the lyrics to like sing it out or anything like that. But like, I'm not only are we gliding through this Aquarius moon, this steady stream of air, we're just kind of gliding through it, but also like the nod to the paper cup in that song too, like holding a paper cup, or maybe we're flying a paper airplane. But there's something in the paper. There's something in the papers there. Something being written, drawn up. The Six of Swords and the Eight of Wands. That totally happened, guys. Totally happened again. Amazing video. I charged those microphones too. That was so good. That was the most beautiful moving read ever. I cried. I really cried, guys. You would have saw me really cry. But I guess that message was just for me. Because we lost sound very quickly. I'm gonna pull out a new deck. I'm gonna start again. Right here, right now. Not even gonna waste time. We caught it right away. We caught it right away, guys. Man, there was so much to that read. It was so beautiful. But maybe it was too bare. Maybe it was too raw. Alright. Okay, universe. Thank you for that beautiful message. I appreciate it. Sneaking time. Spirit sneaking time with us, guys. We're finding those quiet moments. Four of Cups, Five of Swords. And Four of Cups just dropped down. I couldn't even pick up that Four of Cups. It was so heavy. And Two of Swords reversed. I couldn't pick up that Four of Cups. It's so heavy. It's so heavy, Aquarius. Is this the dark side of the moon? Is that where we're at right now? Because that message was uplifting. There was plenty of warnings in it, but it was uplifting. No, I don't know what to make of this. I should take a moment. I was just so ready to go. I was just so ready to jump out. I'm like, no. We're not doing this again, guys. We're gonna get this together. We're gonna figure it out. We've got this. No matter what we got on our plate. The Seven of Cups I put right on top of that Four of Cups. It's like the Four of Cups was like a base, a weight. Now I got Eight of Cups. It was like a base, a weight. It was holding down the Seven of Cups. Us believing in our own limitations emotionally is what is preventing us from lifting up into the options of possibility. So what we might end up doing is just walking away from everything. This tax man's coming and collecting these swords. But I think maybe we're securing two swords. because these two came together again. And I made note of this previously, but this woman and this woman are the same woman. So she's concealing her truth. She's holding on to the two swords. It's like her and her man are going to pay the tax man who's taking everything that they've got. But she has some secrets that she's saving. One for her and one for him. She's like, it's okay, it's okay. I have the true swords. Those were forged, those were faked. Okay. We could not put the tower down. Tower. The tower stuck in my hand. It was inescapable. It fell right on that 4 of Cups and 7 of Cups, that weight. It just dropped down and like blasted at the heavy like attachments to these negative cups, these dark cups. It's breaking it loose and shaking and almost exploding out all of those cups that this guy was holding on to, like in his trophy case. Oh, it's a bad man. That taxman is a bad man, collecting people's thoughts and putting them in a trophy case and claiming them as solely his own. And it was under a lock and key, and this tower was inevitable. It was coming down on this. It was going to release, break free. As free money in the streets when the fat cat explodes. Everything that he was hoarding, and all it took was those 2 swords of truth, one for her and one for him, and that opened up the new journey. That opened up the new beginning. There was something really weighing them down. That was external to them, that was taking from them. Their thoughts, their practices, their rituals, their truth. But she held on. Concealed and healed those swords. And they were exactly what they needed to cause that spark. For the 10 of Pentacles to come out and create that story arc. To come together in foundation, in team. She had them all along, and she was holding on to them so that when all hell broke loose, they would have everything that they needed to really start building this foundation, security, stability, and comfortability. Did I say security? I said security. I feel like I have to say security again. There's something very secure about this, something very locked. And not in a you'll never get out kind of way, but like your hearts are locked together. Their hearts are locked together. That connection, no matter the distance, doesn't break. It feels soft and gooey. And it came out of a lot of hardship. It came out of a lot of hardship. That was a hard shipment. There was a lot of things, a lot of factors that had to be dealt with, delegated, and truly handled for everybody to get there, to get to that point, to get to that place and space. How long do we want to go? That was another like 30-minute raid, guys. I already put a lot of time and effort into this. That we lost. Will we uncover the truths regardless of how they show up? Do we not? Welcome, Knight of Wands. That illumination. Sagittarius energy. I'm getting a 9 off of this. Maybe it's the, those ancient knowledges and wisdoms, but in that, concealed in that wand is a sword. You thought it was a staff. You thought it was a walking stick. She was pretending it was a walking stick. But that's where it was concealed, in the catacombs. Way down below. That's why I was pointing down in the well source of her heart and emotions. There was a fire burning in there, and that's where she kept the sword. In the water and the fire, it was forged. And she made these swords, especially for her and her partner, so that they could break themselves free from this weighted energy and explode out all of the possibilities of true connection and beginning. Match that 7 with a 7. Meet the axe with the axe. Be aware of your circumstances and surroundings and how things are playing out. Play the game, but play it in your own way. There's some kind of truth here that we have been concealing, and it's about to be time to break free, cut loose, and move forward. Yeah. I don't think I can pull anymore, actually. I think we did it. It's half the time. The 10 of Wands. In half the time, it's time to leave. It's time to go. It's time to take what's most important and carry on. Let the rest fall. Hold on to your truth. Hold on to your knowing. They can't take that away. It's been concealed. It's been hidden. It's been disguised as something else so that no one could touch it. But when it's time, and you'll know when it's time, like, oh, it's going down. It's just gonna happen. When it goes down, it's a cash grab. And the one bill we're looking for is going to come to hand. And I'm gonna grab it. Ace of Wands. Grabbing that wand. Grabbing that wand that conceals the sword. That opens the door because the sword is a key. It's gonna take us into exactly where we want to be. I like it, guys. That was nice. That was smooth. In a very unsmooth kind of way. Revelations and revolutions. May the best man win. Okay. Ace of Cups, the Empress, the Chariot, and the 2 of Pentacles. It is all there waiting for us. We are making it and creating it as we go along. We are moving towards this. We are opening up the gates, the bridges, so there can be real movement and drive. This is the wheels connecting to the road. And the road leads us back home. Or to a home that we haven't yet known. Wherever we're going, wherever we're doing, there's great beauty in it. So be on the lookout for the sun on the horizon. The time to go, the time to move. Keep working on that water filtration system. Keep working on that emotional intelligence. Because what you thought was being taken is about to be released. And it's an all-out cash grab. And we already have our eye on the one. Cleverly disguised. Well hidden. Maybe even from ourselves. But everything's going to fall into place. Just so. And it's all a direct result of what energy and effort you've put into it. Big things are coming. Big things are changing. You're gonna do great with it, kids. Good luck on this new journey. We'll see you next time.